Namaste. Hello everyone. How are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to all of you in our today's video. Today we'll be discussing acupressure point and mudra therapy, which will help you if you are having issues of muscular pain, if you're having issue of muscle spasm or muscle cramps. Okay, then today's video will be very helpful for you all. So let us see the points and the mudra. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And as you all know, this is our new channel which we have made for only English videos. Okay, in this we will only be sharing videos in English. So please do subscribe it. Okay, please subscribe it and do help us reach more people. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. So let us see the acupressure points first. Okay, our acupressure point is on the middle finger, just on the base of the nail of the middle finger. Exactly in the center is this point. This point is called as GB44, gallbladder 44. You can see this point. Okay. Over here, what we will do, this point is located on both the hands. Over here, what we'll do, we'll press this point properly with the help of a jimmy. You need to press it properly, and then we'll apply one buell magnet, white side touching skin on this point. If you want to buy buell magnets, and if you are not having the magnets, and if you want to buy them, then you can see our contact details. You can WhatsApp us on it, and you can order magnets for yourself. We have prepared many different kinds of kits over there. You can just WhatsApp us and say like, please show your kits, and we'll send you the photos of different types of kits. Or you can also just order like things according to your choice. Okay, that is also possible. So you need to apply one buell magnet on this point. We'll apply magnet for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever we'll remove it, we need to throw the paper tape away and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Magnets do not expire and you can use it for lifetime. So now let us see mudra for muscle problems. Okay. So for it, we'll be discussing Varun Mudra. Now how we need to do it? With the help of our small finger and thumb. Like we need to just join the tip of our small finger and thumb. Do it with both the hands. This is called as Varun Mudra. We need to place it on our lap like this. You need to do it daily for 15 minutes minimum and maximum 45 minutes. As said earlier in yesterday's video, we discussed like how you can do it like 15 minutes to 45 minutes. What you can do is you can start with 5 minutes a day, then you can go further to 15 minutes. Okay, like a span of 15 minutes is minimum. Then what you can do, you can take a break and like do 15 minutes 3 times a day. Okay, you can do like this. Do not do like 45 minutes in a stretch. Just do 15 minutes 3 times a day, or once also. That is also fine if you are doing it once. Do remember that you need to do this both treatment, the magnets and the mudra therapy daily to get more better results. Okay, doing it once won't give you any results. Please do remember it. Or doing it for 2-3 days or 4-5 days also won't give you any results. Please be consistent and at least do it for a month or some. Okay, do this things daily. Okay, that's all for the day. Thank you so much everyone. For more such videos, please subscribe our channel.